How to build safe password on your mobile phone. Make sure to watch the video till the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go to settings of your phone, scroll to down, go to Google, after you open Google, all you have to tap on this arrow to select the Gmail account that you want to see the password that you save under it. So select the Gmail account under the list of the Gmail account that you have. After you select the Gmail account, tap on this manage your Google account. Swipe to left and go to security. Scroll to down and go to password manager. Under this password manager, you will see all the applications that you save their password on this email account. So to see the password, all you have to do is tap on the application or website. So as you can see, here is the name of the website and here is your password. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.